First, locate the two locking tabs within the fiber wind cover, located roughly at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Take the hex key and firmly press down on one locking tab at a time. Pop off the wind cover to expose the diode assembly aperture. First, gently grasp the fiber block and remove it from the unit before disconnecting the fiber. Place the wind cover, wind retainer, and fiber block to the side. Take the wrench and place it on the SMA connector and unscrew with one turn of the wrench to loosen. Then, use your fingers to continue unscrewing the connector from the diode aperture. To remove the fiber, firmly grip the SMA connector with your left thumb and forefinger while gently pinching the fiber exiting the wind body with your right thumb and forefinger. Simultaneously pull the SMA connector and fiber to the right, away from the diode aperture until the fiber is removed from the wind body. Take the new handpiece and thread the SMA connector through the wind body and attach it to the laser diode aperture. Use your fingers to secure the SMA connector to the diode aperture and tighten it with the provided wrench. Once installed, gently lift the fiber strain relief and carefully slide the fiber block back into place between the fiber strain relief and onto the fiber guide ramp holding up the fiber. Replace the fiber wind retainer, ensuring that the dog leg is facing inwards toward the wind body. Snap the wind cover back into place by placing the lower plastic tabs into their corresponding slots. Then, press the entire piece into place. Be sure to turn the laser on and test the unit to make sure it is working properly.